Hey guys, welcome. Today we're going to do a tortellini bake. I am in town running around with my mom, so needless to say, we do have something going on in the kitchen anyway. So let's step in. I hope you check out this recipe. I hope you try it. I hope you like it. It is delicious. And by the way, Southern Roots has moved to MeWe, so check it out. Let's head to the kitchen. Okay, so we're going to get started with about 1.5 pounds ground beef. And a generous helping of garlic. Bit of salt. I'm going to chop that up and let it go for a bit until it gets done. Then over on the next burner, I have some pasta water getting ready to go to boil the tortellini in, which takes about 4 minutes. Right, so I'm going to let this cook up and we'll be back. Alright, so the meat is cooked to perfection. I'm going to drain it off. My tortellini is headed for the boiling pot of water for 4 minutes. Be back in just a sec. We'll put it together. Okay, got the meat drained off. Still waiting on the pasta to finish boiling. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. About a half teaspoon. Then I'm going to put this Newman's Own Marinara. I'm going to let that heat up a bit while I'm waiting on the pasta. Okay, so the pasta is drained. It's going to go right into my skillet. I'm just going to give it a toss around. Make sure it's all mixed in with the sauce. Good and coated. I believe this is, let me check right quick. It is the 5 cheese pasta, or the 5 cheese tortellini to be exact, from Sam's. Okay, so I'm going to cut my burner. Then I'm going to come and go all over the top with some grated Parmesan. Then I'm going to put it into a 400-degree oven till that all melts down, and it will be supper time. Such an easy, quick, simple dish to cook for supper. So We'll be back when we pull it out. Okay, look what is out of the oven. Doesn't that look delicious? So I'm going to dip some of this out. And there you go. Tortellini Bake.